Hey guys, this is Mr. Bailey CTP 16 here, and I'm gonna be doing a little Star Wars blaster sound effect test. So I got this Rebel here, and I'm gonna go ahead and test it. If you're wondering, this is a grenade, so I just kind of added that. Alright, so here's the test. Alright, so that was it, and I used carpet, so he was like wiggling around and stuff, but I used carpet because I got a bunch of things on my base plate, like Lego stuff all over it, because I'm making episode 2 on it, of Revenge of the Droids. Watch those, watch episode 1, Attack of the Droid Base. So just watch those, and watch my other videos, rate, comment, subscribe. Please watch your other videos, and that's pretty much it. So bye.